With SimplyBook.me, you can start accepting online reservations and payments in a matter of a few clicks. Create your custom booking page with multiple services and employees, packages, memberships, products, and gift cards. Add our booking widget to your own business website, or use our WordPress plugin with a website built using WordPress. Receive payments and deposits through a wide range of payment processors. Add images, news, and custom pages. Get new clients through Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Get reviews from your clients. SimplyBook.me also offers point of sale, loyalty system, waiting list, marketing tools, customized emails, notifications and reports, admin and client mobile apps, API, and so much more. Get familiar with our platform by starting your free 14-day trial today.